Okay, what I have here, I have two circuits. Both are exactly the same. I will have 2N3904 here on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I'll just go and change transistors that I have there. What I also have here are two potentiometers, and I'm going to set them up before playing with this to something like 90% ratio, 90% volume level, if you will, just to keep them at the same level. I'll measure resistance with multimeter, and I'll keep the level about the same. That way there should be no perceivable difference between them, since small difference in resistance should not make that big of a difference really. For the beginning, I'll do a bypass version of this. This is just to remind ourselves how does this sound and how much of a boost do we get from 2N3904, and then I'm going to swap transistors one by one from that lot there, and we'll see what we'll get. I don't expect a huge difference actually. I don't expect any difference at all, to be honest, but let's see what we're gonna get. Okay, so let's set up everything. This is what, 94K? 93 and some? Yeah, that's good enough. Okay, that one has slightly lower resistance. I'll set it up a bit lower, but in fairness there shouldn't be a huge difference, at least not perceivable. We're not doing professional measurement here. Yeah, that should be okay. I can't hear any difference. Actually, I don't hear any difference. Let's try the next one. It's a bit less loud, this BC337. It's definitely less loud. Yeah, quite a bit different. I didn't expect this. Okay, let's try another one. Okay. Definitely some difference in level. Let's try the last one. Yeah, quite louder. I did not expect this much of a difference. Let's see, maybe I messed up something. No difference there, so it's up to the transistors really. Let me go full volume on a couple of these. Okay, 3904, still definitely louder. Yeah, I can't really hear any difference, to be honest. I wonder what would be the difference in noise. Maybe if I cranked up the amp way louder, I might be able to hear some difference. All in all, not a huge difference among them. If you only want to boost your solo to stand out, you don't really need a bigger boost. It is interesting to see that this ZTX A51 is actually quite good, and I could not hear it introducing much noise, even though its datasheet states that application for it is emergency lightning circuit. There is no audio mentioned anywhere in the document, unlike some other transistors, so it's really interesting. Okay, so last thing, let's see. There is Screaming Bird from Electro Harmonix. It's treble booster that is almost the same as LPB. The only difference is in its input and output capacitors. Screaming Bird has 2 nanofarad capacitors instead of 100 nanofarads that are in LPB. With 100 nanofarad capacitors, all frequencies would be amplified about the same. 2 nanofarad capacitors would cause lower frequencies to be boosted less, and treble frequencies would be boosted fully. So let's hear this. Pretty similar level of boost, right? Obviously, since I haven't changed capacitors yet. Okay, so let's switch capacitors on this side. I'm gonna put 2 nanofarad capacitors there. And you can hear immediately the difference, right? Quite a big difference in sound. So yeah, quite a bit of a difference, isn't it? So there you have it, some interesting experimentation with this. And with a setup like this, you can give it a try, see what you like, what you don't like, what would you prefer, and then you can tweak your circuit a bit to get it just right before you finally assemble your circuit into a pedal. That's it for this video. Thank you.